Dear friends, in this video we are going to talk about Pelikan style fountain pen. I have used this pen for 5 months and read the reviews of people from all parts of the world. Based on that, I will discuss about its body, grip, nib, feed, filling mechanism, performance and its cost. Stay with me till end of this video and I will discuss all these aspects in detail. Pelikan style is a beginner's pen which comes in bright colors like blue, yellow, pink, green and black and white. The one that I am holding is a mix of black and neon green. It has a plastic body which is coated with soft rubber. Nearly 80% of its body is black. The black portion has rubber coating while the green portion is purely plastic. There is an ink window to monitor the ink level. It's a lightweight pen which is just 19 grams. When uncapped, its weight is 15 grams. Overall length of Pelikan style is 14 centimeters and when uncapped, it is 13 centimeters. In posted position, the length is 16.2 centimeters. Let's have a look at the grip section. It has a round grip which is made of plastic and is rubber coated from both sides. There is a smooth transition between the diameters of barrel and grip. For a better idea, let's compare its grip with Pilot Metropolitan and Pelikan Twist. Let's have a close look at the grip sections of these pens. There is a sudden change in the diameters of barrel and grip in these two pens. It results in forming of a step at the joint. This makes it difficult to hold the pen from the joint. But in case of Pelikan style, the transition is gradual and you can hold the pen even from the joint. The rubber coating makes the grip soft and firm. Even if your hands are wet or sweaty, the grip will still not slip. The round grip is equally good for left and right-handed people and non-conventional grip as well. You can hold the pen from anywhere. The cap of Pelikan style fits with a convincing click and can be posted firmly at the barrel end. It has a plastic clip which can break if you don't handle it properly. Pelikan style comes with a medium nib which is made of steel. The nib does not have any gold plating or any carving. There is no option of choosing between fine or a broad nib. It is fitted with a modern feed which does not have rips or cuts. The quality of nib and feed is quite good and does not allow overflow of ink during minor impacts or jerks. The ink does not dry even if the pen is left uncapped for a long time. The nib and feed are same as used in Pelikan Twist and Pelikan Think. Let me show you all three of them together. Let me show you the filling mechanism now. When I received this pen from Amazon, there was no cartridge or converter in the package. I ordered cartridges and converter separately. This pen uses a Pelikan 4001 GTP5 giant size cartridge. I do not have a giant size cartridge and therefore I will demonstrate with a small Pelikan 4001 TP6 cartridge. So let's put the cartridge inside. It fits in with a click, and after squeezing a bit you can use this pen. If you like bottled ink instead of cartridges, then you can use a Pelikan C499 converter. But the converter is 1.5 times costlier than the pen itself. Here is the Pelikan C499 converter. When you rotate the piston head, the entire converter starts rotating. The converter does not fit convincingly on this pen, and therefore I would suggest you to use a cartridge instead of converter with this pen. The best thing about this pen is its wet flow and smoothness. It does not leave a gap even when you write fast. You can also write from reverse side of its nib. Because of its lightweight, there is no fatigue while writing for long hours. Let me write something for you. Let me now try some reverse writing. Pelikan Style is available for $16 at any good pen store. It's also available at online marketplaces like Amazon and eBay. So here are the pros and cons in short. Pelikan Style is a budget pen that comes in attractive colors. It's lightweight and has a good grip. It's a good pen for beginners. It does not come with a converter. Its universal Pelikan converter does not fit well, and it is less sturdy. I hope this video was useful to you, and if you like this video then please comment and subscribe to my channel.